Bonjour everyone. Today I'm going to show you my no makeup tutorial. Alright, so the first thing I put on my face is the NARS concealer in the shade medium dark biscuit. I put it around my eyes, around my nose, and if I ever have any breakouts, I use it to camouflage. Today I did not feel the need to put any foundation on my face. I just used the concealer to camouflage all the little blemishes, pimples, under eyes, you know. Next, I'm going to take my angle brush as well as my contouring compact powder from NARS in the shade Casino. And I'm going to do a very light contouring on my cheekbones as well as my forehead. Next, I'm going to use my favorite blush from NARS again. It's going to be the color Blissful. It's that eggplant color that I really like to put on my cheekbones. I'm going to use a different angled brush, a pink one for the blush. Makes sense, right? Make sure that I take out the excess because I don't want a harsh mark on my face. And I'm going to apply it just above my contouring line, and I'm going to make sure I blend the two lines, the two powders together. As you can see, I'm doing a circular motion, always starting from my hairline down to my cheekbones, I guess. Now I'm going to put on my loose powder with my powder brush. This one is the color Mountain from NARS. I like to set it on my T-zone, but also on my cheeks, a little bit everywhere, to be honest. I feel like it blends everything in. Now it's time to take care of my lashes. The mascara I like to use is from Lancome. So first I'm gonna apply the primer, which is also a moisturizer for my lashes and a volumizer. Then I put on the mascara. This one is Hypnose Drama Intense Full Body Volume Mascara from Lancome. Lastly, I'm gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna use this beautiful blush that was gifted to me by a friend of mine. The name of the brand is Artistry, and the color is Sweet Melon. Final touch is to give my eyebrows a little bit of a brush to make sure that they are not all over the place, but at the end of the day they just do what they want anyways, so yeah, no, I just had to fix that bun a little bit. But that's it, you guys. That's pretty much my makeup routine on a regular day. I don't like to wear heavy makeup if I don't have to. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.